Hi my lovely viewers, this is a War Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to work with view and remove inbound Windows Defender Firewall from Windows 11. So for this case we will go to the search options here and enter the control panel where we'll find the Windows Defender Firewall. Here this is. So this is the advanced settings. Here we'll we got the things what this is the inbound rule. Here the right side, here the view panel. Here this is add or remove column, so click here. So there have lots of things available, columns as well as a display column. So I wanna do the things what description column, add, see add. Okay, so where this is, see the thing has been added. So in this way we can do these things. Meanwhile we will do the remove the things. So how? This is the display and we will send the right things, that's why we will click the remove. See, the thing has been gone. So in this way we can do this thing. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.